Translate. Special items. Just as any computer program, Promise contains many dialogs, warnings and pop-ups with messages to guide the user in case of exception and conflicts. These messages are grouped in Promise in the translation module as special items. These special items need to be translated as well. To provide translators access to these special items, select the Translate module left. You will encounter a list of folding boxes with all special items grouped per module. To translate these items, activate the Translate mode and switch to the language you need to translate to. Then, right-click on the description of the special item to translate and use the embedded translator. For this, we refer to the general video of assisted label translation. Once you've completed the translation of the description, also translate the button right from the description by right-clicking on the button if not translated yet. Finally, click the button to translate the actual content of the special item you are working on. In some cases, the special items are complete interactive pop-ups. In that case, click the Simulate Pop-up button to enter this pop-up and translate the content of the pop-up as if it were menu items. For this, we advise you to view the video Assisted Menu Translation on our YouTube Continuous Improvement channel. Work your way through all special item groups. Promise. Easy access to a hidden world.